Hi everyone, I'm Heather, the owner of Leavenly.com, and today I want to show you a quick discard hack that I just discovered, and it's really cool. What we're going to do is preheat an electric griddle and just with some pan cooking spray, and what we're going to end up with is fry bread. So these are just tiny little discs of fried sourdough discard. And that's all there is to it. You could do them plain like I did with these ones. I plan on eating them maybe with some jam or peanut butter. But what I'm going to show you is I'm going to do some chives and basil and then another one with cheddar and onions. So you can kind of do whatever mix that you want. The sky's the limit. You can do cinnamon sugar with raisins. You could do a different kind of savory recipe. You can literally use your imagination and just experiment with each one. Do a different thing each time. So what we're going to do first is just spray this. It's preheated to 250. And this is my sourdough discard. It's a little bit runny just because I went about a day and a half without feeding it and then I put it in the fridge. So it might spread out a little bit and we'll see. So just spoon it on to the griddle just like that. I like to do a little bit more. And then we'll sprinkle on, this is the chives and basil, just literally just right on top, just like that. Then we could do the next one. It's kind of like making pancakes. And we'll put in some cheddar and onions in this one. And I have enough for one more. And for this one, I might do the cheddar and onion again because that one looks pretty good. So we'll do 2 of those. But again, this is just to show you, you can do whatever kind of flavor combination you can possibly think of and just play around with it. And what we're going to do is cook these for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until the underside looks kind of like this, like just a light brown, and then we'll flip them. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes and you can see around the edges it's beginning to cook a little bit. So let's go ahead and flip these. And I've never made ones with cheese before, so this is kind of an experiment. We'll just see what happens. And you guys can go ahead and experiment too, and I'd love to hear what you guys are doing, what flavor combinations you're coming up with. So we're going to leave those for another about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 4 to 5 minutes on these. I'm going to give this a flip and check. Yeah, that guy's looking pretty good. Let's see what our cheese ones look like. And those look pretty good too. What you're looking for is to make sure that it's cooked all the way through and that it's a little bit crispy on the top and bottom. So that's what I'm seeing here. So we can go ahead and remove these from the griddle. Just put them over here with the other ones. And unplug my griddle and make sure that's off. And then when you kind of tear into these, they're light and fluffy, almost like a pancake on the inside, but they have a much more distinct sour flavor. And so what I really like about these is that it's a really quick and easy way to use your sourdough discard without having to prepare anything, without needing to do an overnight sponge. If you need like a quick snack idea for your kids, just pull out your griddle and pour it on and it's easy. So comment below and let me know what flavor combinations you come up with because I'm always looking for new ones. Like and share this video, and you can always head over to Leavenly.com for all things sourdough. And check the description below as well because I'm going to include a link to a huge list of discard recipes that you can check and use at home. So have fun making your healthy fry bread.